Human eye. In any living organism, this eye is a very sensitive organ and one of the most important organs in the living organisms because it acts like camera. The image is formed on light sensitive screen. So there is a screen, we'll talk about that screen, and this is known as retina. There is a thin membrane through which the light enters into the eye, and this is known as cornea. The eyeball is spherical in shape. There is a presence of crystalline lens that helps in adjusting objects at different distances, or the image or the location of object and the image of object onto the retina. The dark muscular structure that will control the size of the pupil is known as iris. So pupil, it regulates how much light or amount of light is entering the eye. The real inverted image is formed at retina. So retina contains light sensitive cells which are known as rods and cones, and they send the signals to the brain via the optic nerve.